best luxury sports cars for 2024 Porsche 911. In the realm of luxury sports cars, the Porsche 911 has long been regarded as the epitome of automotive excellence, blending timeless design with exhilarating performance. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly await the latest releases for 2024, the 2024 Porsche 911 emerges as a standout among the best luxury sports cars of the year, promising to uphold the legacy of its iconic predecessors while pushing the boundaries of innovation. The 2024 Porsche 911 arrives with a blend of classic styling cues and modern enhancements, maintaining its unmistakable silhouette and aerodynamic profile while incorporating cutting-edge technology and engineering advancements. From its sleek lines to its iconic round headlights, every detail of the 911's design is crafted with precision and purpose, evoking a sense of luxury and performance that sets it apart from the competition. Under the hood, the 2024 911 offers a range of potent engine options, including turbocharged flat-six variants, each delivering blistering acceleration and dynamic performance that's sure to thrill drivers. With its rear-engine layout and advanced chassis technology, the 911 offers unparalleled handling and agility, allowing drivers to tackle corners with confidence and precision. But it's not just about performance. The 2024 Porsche 911 also impresses with its luxurious interior, featuring premium materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and a range of cutting-edge technology features. From the comfortable and supportive seats to the intuitive infotainment system and advanced driver assistance technologies, every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience and ensure that occupants feel pampered and connected at all times. As one of the best luxury sports cars for 2024, the Porsche 911 continues to set the standard for automotive excellence, combining breathtaking performance with refined luxury in a package that's as exhilarating as it is elegant. Its timeless design, legendary performance, and uncompromising attention to detail ensure that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand nothing but the best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2024 Porsche 911 stands out as a true icon, a symbol of German engineering prowess and automotive innovation. With its blend of luxury, performance, and heritage, it continues to capture the hearts and imaginations of drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best luxury sports cars of 2024 and beyond.